Lily steps into her playroom, a kaleidoscope of color and joy, where toys promise endless adventures. With boundless excitement, she approaches her toy kitchen, where culinary dreams simmer. As she picks up Chef Whiskers, the kitchen set is bathed in a magical shimmer, hinting at enchanting possibilities. In Lily's playroom, Chef Whiskers miraculously awakens, his miniature eyes fluttering with newfound life. With a cheerful greeting, Chef Whiskers exclaims, "Bonjour, Lily. Ready to cook something délicieux?" Lily gasps, her eyes widening with awe as the room fills with the possibility of culinary adventures. Potty the Pot chimes in with enthusiasm. "Of course, and we love to cook with you." Amidst the excitement, mischievous Pepper playfully shouts, "Oops, too much pepper!" Bathed in the warm glow of the overhead light, Lily's playroom is a vibrant canvas of scattered toys, where the sweet scent of honey begins to weave its enchanting spell. Amidst the playful chaos, Spatula Sam cries out in dismay, "Oh no! The pancake is spicy now!" With unwavering resolve, Lily steps forward, reassuring, "Don't worry, let's fix it by adding some honey." The playroom fills with laughter as Lily and her toy companions unite, balancing ingredients with gleeful precision to craft the perfect batch of pancakes. In Lily's playroom, the aroma of freshly made pancakes fills the air as Lily and her toy friends eagerly gather around the small table, their faces beaming with anticipation. Potty the Pot exclaims, "This is the best breakfast ever," his ceramic face radiating pure joy as the group celebrates their shared culinary creation. Lily, radiating pride and joy, declares, "Cooking is fun when we work together." Their joyous laughter fills the room, emphasizing the lesson that teamwork truly makes everything better.